Hi, in this video I'm going to solve practice question for trigonometry in 3 dimensions. Okay, let us take a look number 1. So the diagram show a wooden with the rectangular base ABCD. Okay, the slope face ADEF, also rectangular. So we need to find the distance between DF. Here this distance. Let's try again. D. Okay, DF. Okay, we got the here triangle, which is opposite, and hypotenuse, so we can use as sin. So sin 6 degree is equal to opposite 2.5. We divide with the hypotenuse or DE. Okay, so DE is equal to 2.5. We divide by sin 6 degree. So you can use a calculator as 2.5. Then we divide it with the sin 6 degree. Okay, so we got DE equal to 23.92. Okay, as this is the right angle, so we can use the theorem of Pythagoras. So DF equal to square root of DE square plus by EF square. Okay, DE we got 23.92 square, we plus by 3.8 square. So let us find it. Can use a calculator. 23.92 square plus by 3.8 square. So we got square root of 586.6064. Okay, so the DF, just make it square root. Okay, so this is gonna be 24.22 centimeter. Okay, let us take a look number 2. The information that we got. Okay, the diagram show the vertical DB. Okay, ABC the same horizontal plane. The distance AC. Okay, here AC equal to 49. Okay, this is the angle they write it. Okay, what is this angle? So we can make it from 180 minus by 100 and we minus by 33. So it's gonna be 47. So this angle is 47 degree. So let us find AB. We can use the sines rule. So AB equal to here, opposite of the length is 33, so sine 33 degree equal to 100. That's we got AC. We divide with the sine of 100 degree. AC we got it 49, so this sine 100 degree. So AB, so
100 degrees Fahrenheit.
So we get rid. So this is sin 33. We multiplied both of sides. It's 33 degree. So here we multiply with the sin 33 degree. You can use a calculator. So you will get the value of AB. This is equal to 27.099 for the AB. Okay, next we need to find the DB, the height. So as this is triangle, we got the angle here. So opposite, we divide with the adjacent. So we can use the tan formula. So tan 54 degree equal to opposite is DB. Then we divide with AB. Okay, AB we know, so we can make it DB equal to tan 54 degree multiplied with AB is 27.099. Yeah, this is, you need a calculator. It's gonna be 37.2986 for the answer. Or we can make it as this is 4 significant figures, so dB equal to 37.30 meter. Okay, we can go number 3. Okay, look at, we got the degree, opposite, and the hypotenuse. So we can use a sine formula. So the first triangle here, A. So this is the triangle A, B, and C. So we got sin 55 degree equal to opposite is 50 divided with the hypotenuse, this line, the hypotenuse. So that is AC. So we can rewrite, so AC equal to 50, we divide with the sin 55 degree. This is you are required to use a calculator. So we can write it by a calculator. So this is 50, we divided with the sin 55. So we got 61.039. Now another triangle at the back, we got A, B, D. Okay, with the elevation angle is 48. So sin 48 degree equal to opposite is 50, we divided A, D. Okay, you write AD equal to 50, we divide with the sin 48 degree. This is, you need a calculator, so 50 we divided with the sin 48 degree. So the AD equal to 67.281. Okay, we got AD and AC. Now we have to find the length of CD. Here, this length, CD. Yeah, we can use the cosine law. So we got CD square equal to here AC square plus B by AD square minus by 2 multiplied with AC times AD, and then we multiply with the cosine of 71 degree. Okay, we can just rewrite all the value here, substitute AC, we got 61.039 square plus by AD is 67.281 square minus by 2, and then AC we got here 61.039, AD is 67.281 multiplied with the cos of 71 degree. Okay, and then the CD, you will get it after you use a calculator. It's equal to 74.69 meter. Now if you would like to find the area of the triangle of ADC, okay, we got two length here and one angle, so we can use it, the formula. So the formula is a half AC, and then we multiply it with AD, then last we multiply with the sin 71 degree. You just substitute it, 1 over 2 AC is 61.039, AD we got 67.281, and multiply it with the sin 71 degree. So the area of the triangle ADC. Here C. Use a calculator, so you will get, after you use a calculator, the answer is 1941.52 meters square. Use a calculator. Okay, number 4. Okay, sheet metal is be bent to stand, show they can be it B. Okay, B is the midpoint of A and C, so they are symmetry. AC and E is E. Okay, E is midpoint. Okay, and E is midpoint and DF. Where's DF? DF. Okay, there. So both of them are symmetry. The two halves of the stand are at the right angle to each other. Angle theta. So we need to show it. Okay, let us show it. So in the triangle A, F, B, here A, F, and B, the height square replaced with the W square. Sorry, FB first to prove it. So FB square, it need to be W square plus with H square. This is, we are using the Pythagoras theorem. And then since we know FB equal to DB, because they are diagonal of congruent rectangle. Yeah, congruent. This is congruent. Where is congruent? Yeah, there is no congruent. Let me write properly. Congruent rectangle. Okay, FB equal to DB, congruent rectangle. So if we find FD square, we can just make it FE square plus by ED is ED square. So FE equal plus ED square. Okay, so this is gonna be W square plus by W square. So FD square, we got 2W square. Now we are using the cosine rule. Look at it. Angle of FBD equal to theta. So we can use cosine theta equal to 2 and then WH plus H square here, and then we minus by 2W square. Then the last we divide with 2 and then W square plus by H square. Okay, we could simplify it here. So we multiply 2W square plus 2H square minus 2W square equal to 2W square plus 2H square. So we can make it here. So it's gonna be 0. So 2H square equal to 2W square plus 2H square. We can simplify, divide by 2 also. So H square equal to W square plus H square. Okay, we prove it. So we need to calculate the value of the theta correct to 4 significant figures. So if we got H equal to 16, W equal to 12. So cos theta equal to W is 16 square. We divide by 12 square plus 16 square. Yeah, you need a calculator for it. So we got 16 square, 256. We divide by 12 square plus by 16 square. It's 400. So cos theta. So we can use by cos negative 1, power of negative 1. So this is 256 over 400. This equal to theta. So we got the theta equal to 256. We divide with 400. Okay, then we got the theta is 50.21 degree. Yeah, there it is. Thank you.